Yes, welcome to the online classes again. Now I'd like to say in the last teachings or in the last classes we have seen whenever a charged particle is moving in a magnetic field, then that charged particle experiences a magnetic force or mechanical force, that is the same thing. It experiences a force, rather you say experiences a force, a magnetic force, and that force expression, the expression for the force, the magnetic force is given by the charge particle का जो charge particle की जो charge है उसकी magnitude q into this velocity vector cross your magnetic field vector. Because here you see that for f should be present, q should not be zero. Charge जो है, amount of charge on the particle should not be zero, velocity should not be zero, and b should not be zero. These all things are should be present. And also we have seen that the fm vector, this magnetic force vector, is perpendicular to v, velocity vector, and magnetic force vector is perpendicular to b vector. It is perpendicular to the b vector. What is the meaning of this? Say a charged particle, say a charged particle is moving like this, and you say the magnetic field, the force is perpendicular, the force exerted on this charged particle in a magnetic field is acting perpendicular. Then what will happen? The charged particle is having velocity na here, and the force is acting in this direction na. Then what is the component of force along this charged particle? It is 90° na, so the component of force will be 0. So there is no force in this direction. This charged particle is moving with constant speed. Constant speed with always force perpendicular. This force, the magnetic force, is perpendicular to the motion of the charged particle. Hence what happens, the charged particle का speed constant है ना, तो उसकी kinetic energy क्या होगी? Constant होगी. Kinetic energy में change नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि speed में force अगर इस direction में नहीं रहेगा तो उस direction में acceleration कहाँ रहेगा? If there is no force in this direction, there is no acceleration and there is no increase in speed, and hence the speed is constant means its kinetic energy of motion is constant. Now if kinetic energy is constant means we say that the magnetic field is incapable of transferring magnetic energy to this particular body that is in motion. Do you follow what we get the conclusion here? That here v, velocity, is equal to constant. Okay, the velocity is equal to constant because the charged particle, it is moving in this direction, and this magnetic force is acting in this direction. It is 90°. Okay, then I say that what is the component of force here? This component of force is equal to 0. Then this del v becomes how much? It is 0. That is, there is no change in the velocity. There is no change in the velocity, and hence what happens? There is no change in the kinetic energy, del k. That is, there is no change in the kinetic energy. So we say, so we conclude that magnetic field is incapable is incapable of transferring है ना field energy into energy, or you can say that is the kinetic energy of moving charge. ठीक है? So we conclude what? We conclude that the magnetic field, because kinetic energy में कोई change नहीं हो रहा, मतलब magnetic field जो है वो अपनी energy को transfer नहीं कर रहा है, किसको? moving charges को. moving charges में ये जो है ये transfer नहीं हो रहा है. So this is a very very important thing. Okay, so that is इसका जो velocity, whenever a charged particle will enter a uniform magnetic field, means you can say that if here that if B is uniform, then velocity is equal to constant. The velocity of charge particle remains constant. Okay, means the kinetic energy remains constant. Okay, thus the field energy is incapable to transfer to the charge particle. We cannot transfer the field energy to the charge particle. Okay, and the charge particle will move with constant kinetic energy. The next part we come to see about what is the trajectory. What is the trajectory or the path of these moving charges. ये जो moving charges है इसकी trajectory क्या है? Trajectory का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? It is known as the path of the charges, or in which direction the charge will move. Okay, whenever a charge is coming, say a charge is coming with some velocity and it is entering a magnetic field. When it will entering the magnetic field, then what will be the path? It will go in this direction, it will go in this direction, it will go straight. So in the examination they are asking. So that is a very important thing. The topic is that the trajectory, trajectory or path of a charge q moving with velocity v in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, so ये पाथ अपने को निकालना है. हाउ वी फाइंड द पाथ? तो पाथ निकालने के लिए क्या है कि अपने को पता है, बताओ कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है, यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. ठीक है, दिस आर द यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. और ये क्रॉस करने का मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अंदर की ओर है. ये क्रॉस करने का मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इनसाइड द बोर्ड, एंड इफ आई पुट डॉट मीन्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज outside the board. So here you find that there is a uniform magnetic field. Okay, now see the magnetic field is uniform, so this you can say this is uniform the field. Now what happens here, you see that a charge particle is coming like this. This is a charge particle. Okay, charge particle q is coming here with the velocity v inside the field. तो ये ऐसे आएगा, ये आ करके जैसा ही यहाँ पर आएगा चार्ज पार्टिकल, then what will happen to the charge particle? Can you tell me? This charge particle is having velocity in this direction, and the magnetic field is where? See, velocity is here. Okay, velocity is here. The magnetic field is there. Then you have to find the force. Okay. Then what is the force? Yes, can you tell me what is the force? Yes, force कितना होगा? Force, magnetic force कितना होता है ना? That is equal to Q into क्या होता है? V वेक्टर. क्या करना है? B वेक्टर. V से B घुमाना है मेरे को. मतलब मेरे को क्या करना है कि एक स्क्रू लेना है, और वो स्क्रू ले करके ये वेलोसिटी वेक्टर है और ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का वेक्टर है, तो V से B घुमाना है. देखो, V से B अगर घुमाऊंगा ऐसे घुमाऊंगा, मतलब V से B घुमाऊंगा तो स्क्रू कहाँ जाएगा? ऊपर, है ना? सो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ माय व्हाट? मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. सो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. सो हियर यू सी दैट दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. तो जब फोर्स वेलोसिटी इधर है, फोर्स का डायरेक्शन अगर यहाँ है, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू मे से that this charge particle will now move in this circular path like this, and it will come out eject with the same velocity. Okay, so as a charge particle is here, again also the charge particle will have the tangential velocity, then the magnetic field is here, then the force will be towards this, magnetic force is towards here, then magnetic force is towards here. Okay, so this much. Okay, now for this particular part I will say the rest of the thing in the next lecture. Okay, in the next class I will tell about what is the how we get this circular path. Okay, thank you.